Hey, I'm Sheldon at RV Depot Supercenter here in Cleburne, Texas. Today I'm going to be showing you the beautiful 2025 HL Enterprise Premier 38. That is a wheelchair accessible unit. Very tall ceilings with two big doors, one of your main entry with the stairs, and then you have a wheelchair accessible entry here. Let's go take a look inside. Walking from the main entry, right over here, I want to show you the wheelchair accessible entry. It's got a lot wider door and also no steps, so you're able to put your wheelchair ramp and come on right in. Also, right next to the door, you have your entertainment area here. You can mount a TV on this wall, right across from the couch there. You have a big opening to your bedroom, so you can easily go into the bedroom. Lots of storage space on both sides of the bed. Lots of closet space there. Here's your beautiful sofa. You got your dinette that also turns into a bed. Right across from that, you have your 3-burner stovetop, and then your microwave underneath here. Also, one of the things I really like about this, since it is wheelchair accessible, it has the opening underneath, so if you're doing dishes, you can pull your wheelchair underneath there so you can reach the sink better. All your light switches are going to be a lot lower for you to be able to reach them better. Coming over here, you got your beautiful refrigerator. Looks like it has never even been used. Still has the plastic inside. You get lots of storage over here. This is going to be your pantry area. And then check out this doorway to the bathroom. It's huge. You can fit probably 3 people through this door. You got your porcelain toilet here. Storage back behind the toilet. Big opening in the bathroom. You have your sink over here, also with the ability to put your wheelchair underneath there. You have lots of storage up above here in the medicine cabinet. And then you have a huge shower here that you're able to step right in, with lots of storage by the shower. If you or a loved one is in the market for an RV that is wheelchair accessible, this one is here right now at RV Depot Supercenter. It's not going to last long. Come out and see me at the dealership or give me a call at the number below.